Hello beautiful people out there, this is again Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna show you or give you Abdfit inspired preset in the form of mobile Lightroom camera preset, XMP, DNG and also LRTEMPLATE. All the links will be down given in the description. So we are gonna be adding a preset. It would be of very exact or very similar to that of Abdfit, right? Its name is very complicated. So we're gonna be creating this kind of look in the photo. As you can see, grass would be around kind of very brownish, so we're gonna be creating such kind of effect in Lightroom. So let's start with the Lightroom, and well, here is the preset which I have already imported or installed it in my Lightroom. So as you can see, if I apply this, as you can see, the green grass is totally turned into kind of perfect brownish color, and the colors of the t-shirts, as you can see, the face is also kind of very brownish and very exact, just like Abdfit. And as you can see, the blue tone is actually present, not it is perfectly desaturated, so it does contain the blue tone. That is a kind of teal vibe which is very similar or very exact to that of Abdfit. Now let's try it on this photo. Just click over here and we'll see, and you can see the difference. Your grass is totally turned into kind of perfect brownish, and the skin is also very looking perfect brownish tone. Let me try it on this. Here is the preset and let's see the magic. So as you can see guys, this is totally looking very exact, just like Abdfit. So I hope you all have enjoyed this preset. And guys, the preset, all the links will be in the description, whether it would be a mobile Lightroom preset, desktop Lightroom preset, also the camera preset XMP. All the links will be in the description, so you can just download it for free. So I hope you all have enjoyed this preset. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button so that it will motivate me to make cool videos and presets like this for you guys for free. And if you still not subscribed yet, then kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website www.ashvircreations.com and filterpreset.com to download all the premium collection of presets just for free. And also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Just type ashvircreations and you can see the magic of this preset guys. This one is really literally so dope. I definitely do recommend you, if you want to take your Instagram to a next level, then you should definitely use this preset. And this is so dope guys. This preset is literally so freaking amazing. So yeah, that's it for today, and see you in the next tutorial. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.